Hello, welcome to our Income Calculator video guide. Income Calculator allows you to pre-qualify customers based on custom qualification questions and limits with 3 quick questions regarding annual income, household size, and desired floor plan. Let's review the application settings via the Conversion Cloud dashboard. Once you've logged into the Conversion Cloud dashboard, we navigate to the Apps tab and select Income Calculator. Let's review the fields. App title. This is the text displayed on the modules on the website. By default, it is set to see if you qualify. Income to rent variable. This field determines how much money an applicant must make in order to qualify. For example, if the value is set to 2.5, the applicant's monthly income must exceed 2.5 times the monthly rent. We do have the ability to set the income to rent variable for different floor plans. AMI. Though this value is only required if a company wishes to provide calculations for income-restricted properties or floor plans. It does serve as a way to standardize income levels within a community. This field can be used to determine housing affordability, program eligibility, policy development, as well as other details. Over on the right side, we have our required questions. These required fields help determine pre-qualification for residents. Below that, you have the option to add additional qualification questions by clicking on the arrow and picking from a list of pre-populated questions. Next, we have our floor plan section. In this section, we can add, remove, or update company floor plans and rental rates. When adding a floor plan, if we leave the income to rent variable blank, the settings will defer to the income qualification. In this example, that would be 2.5 times the monthly rent. If we want to add a floor plan that requires different income to rent variables, for instance, a penthouse suite, then we have the ability to specify that income to rent variable on a per floor plan level. Let's do an example here. We click on add a new floor plan. We name our floor plan. We can set our market rent. And then we can add an income to rent variable. Since this is a penthouse, we would like a higher income to rent variable, so we'll put 3. Now this floor plan, anybody who applies will get it qualified if their income meets 3 times the rent that is posted. And make sure to hit the save button. In our next example, we'll set up an income restricted properties floor plans. First thing we want to do is plug in our AMI numbers. The average median income can be found by visiting the Department of Housing and Urban Development's website, also known as HUD. We'll use 58,000 for this example. Hit our save button. We can click add a new floor plan. We can name our floor plan. And the market rent for that floor plan. Then below that, we click on add income restriction. Here we can plug in the AMI numbers. You can get the AMI reduced rent also from HUD's website. If we have that in, we can hit the save button. With this green toggle active, it means this floor plan will be qualified for market rent and the AMI reduced rent. So if we only want to qualify it for the income restricted, we want to turn the toggle switch off and hit the save button. If you do want to delete any of these, you can just go in and hit the trash can to delete. Below our floor plans, we have our disclaimer and qualification policy. In the disclaimer section, it allows you to include a disclaimer once site visitors complete their submission. When site visitors select the disclaimer, they are taken to another page in the module that shows the policy with a Do You Qualify title. This has a 180 character limit. In our qualification policy, it allows you to include the qualification policy on the first page of the module. When site visitors select the qualification policy, they are taken to another page in the module that shows the policy with a Do You Qualify title. This field has a 500 character limit. And then we have our edit email that allows you to review the qualification emails and the do not qualify emails. The do not qualify emails do not notify the prospective leads that they did not qualify. It simply lets them know that you will be contacting them with further information. If you hit this edit email tab, you can go in and edit the verbiage on both of those emails that are sent. Thank you for watching.